It's not 8:01. 8 o'clock. For me, if I say 8 o'clock, it's 8 o'clock. Now,
Hey, it's shovelheadffej out in the shovelhead shed. Today's video is going to be a really short video. It's not a longer video. In fact, probably the introduction is going to be longer than the actual video. A lot of... Ladies and gentlemen, Roscoe. It's 10 o'clock and he's still going. Yep, it's 10 till 10. Anyway, a lot of people are DMing me or asking me in the comments or making comments, hey man, what's the update on the Deuce? The update on the Deuce, the update on the Deuce. A lot of you, if you're a viewer, you know that I had a Deuce, and it was a project and I was going to do some things, and then a friend of mine, Choppa, seen the video and he's like, hey man, I want that bike, so I ended up selling it to him because there's things that he wanted to do with it. So ended up selling it to him, made some wheeling and dealings and stuff like that. So the bike is now at his shop. So I decided to just do a quick video, a little update on what's going on with that bike. So I went over to Choppa's shop to show you the bike and to get an update on what's going on. Like I said, it's a very short video. And this video, man, this is one of his shops. Living where I live, there's barns. There's barns. I mean, there's a property that's got, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 barns on it, you know, closed barns and open barns, pole barns and stuff like that. And what's really cool, man, is that if you really look close, especially, you know, if you're driving by and you see the door open, you'll see an old tractor in there. You'll see an old truck. You'll see an old car, an old motorcycle. A lot of people sometimes wonder, man, where do you come up with all this stuff? It's because I, you know, as I'm riding around, I always see things, you know, and there's such access to, you know, you always hear about the barn finds. Well, I found that in every barn there's always something, whether it's a, you know, whether it's a motorcycle, a truck, or, you know, there's always something inside there. And so it's cool that I happen to live in an area like this. But anyway, like I said, short video. Appreciate, you know, at the end of my video, there's my address where I receive mail and stuff like that, snail mail and stuff. And so I'm constantly getting, you know, I getting letters and stickers and stuff like that. And I always try to compile all the stickers and show them at one time. There's one guy, his name is Ruckus_rides. He's on my Instagram. Actually, I think you can see that. But anyway, if you can't see it, it's Ruckus_rides. He's got a YouTube. He's got a Facebook. He's got Instagram. And check him out. He sent me a bunch of stickers. Pretty cool. I mean, I never seen a poker chip, so he got me on that one, man. But anyway, appreciate you subscribing. Appreciate you subscribing both of my Instagram and my YouTube channel. This video is getting way too long. It is the beginning of a new year. It's actually going into, even though we have a 12-month riding season. I mean, our real riding season is beginning to start. It cools down. A lot of the northerners are coming down. The events get bigger, more barbecues, more. So, I mean, this year, you know, I started my channel and right in the middle of all this crazy global stuff. And in Florida, we're open. We're open for business. So I really look forward to this year being just an unbelievable year. I think it's going to be a really great year. We're going to have a lot of shows to go to, a lot of good times, and all this stuff. So I appreciate you subscribing. You know, I've said it before. I'm trying to get that 10,000, because at 10,000 things really start happening. It's one of those hurdles. In YouTube, it's your 1,000, then it's the 10,000. So I'm really pushing that 10,000. If you can help me to get to 10,000, and how you help me is by liking and sharing and subscribing, giving me a thumbs up, definitely comment, and, you know, just kind of pushing my channel, man. I've never asked, you know, it's like something that I don't want to do. But I think in order to get to the next hurdle, I got to get 10,000, and I don't think I don't think it's too bad to ask. If you can just at least, you know, share it on your social media, share it on your channel, take your wife's phone and go onto my YouTube page and like and subscribe, and she won't know it, and you know, make sure you hit the bell notification. Anyway, that's it, man. Appreciate it. And like I said, super short video, but it is what it is. All right, I'll see you. Thank you. Peace. This is gonna look badass, man.
Changed out the square headlight.
I like the round headlight.
Oh, I do too.
You know what I would put here, though, man?
This is the headlight. I mean, on the wall kind of thing.
That's a big headlight. Is it like a spotlight? You know what I would put right here, man? Is the rubber little the accordion
sleeves.
things? Yeah, they're like $20 on JP Cycles. And this is your mock-up for the fender?
Yeah, just, you know, actually this was part of the fender off that Vulcan. I just was kind of messing with it, you know. I got to make a pan for the bottom, and then a pan. Yeah, pan for the bottom.
Pan for the bottom where?
To go underneath here.
Oh, okay.
All my controls
Yeah.
and shit will fit in there, and then the battery will go back in here. I can get rid of all this in here.
Yeah, you want all that open.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I haven't got very far on it. Just got the triple trees painted up, painted the shocks, lowered the bike, put the headlight on.
How'd you lower the bike?
Just dropped the shocks down.
How'd you do that?
I had it jacked up jack here and keep it and loosen everything up.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Just let it slide
Now,
down.
is that going to change like the pivot, the handling? I guess you'll figure that out.
Everything,
when it
yeah. I
happens.
mean, I'm going with the stubby handlebars, you know, the race bars off the side. What do they call those? I forget what they call those.
Cafe bars? The what? Drag bars?
Yeah, the drag bars, but they're not the full bars. They go right around here.
Got you.
You know. So that'd give me nice room to do that. Put those on there.
And anybody's wanting an update on the Deuce? It's still in the works.
Still in the works. Yeah. Yeah.
yeah. I was talking to you, man.
I'm gonna get another motor. Get another motor for it. Get it on the road.
Hold on, I gotta show this. Hey, is this my carpet? Isn't this my carpet, man?
No.
Are you sure?
Well, you might have had one like it, but I know that ain't your carpet. Why do you want it? You can have it.
No, I swear it looked like my friggin' carpet. Why don't you put that on there?
That'd be cool, wouldn't it?
I think it would be awesome.
Put that right on the side, man.
Yeah. I think that's my carpet, man.
You can have it.
No, I already had it.
I think you want it.
Oh, didn't you make this? This light?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It turns on. If it's plugged in.
Okay, there you go. Whoa, look at that. That is cool. That came out of your old truck, right?
Mm-hmm.
And who is this?
What the hell was his name?
I'm just wondering why you have a Napoleon Dynamite.
Napoleon Dynamite. Yeah.
That grown man with a Napoleon Dynamite. Come on, Tina. All right, man.
Yeah, there's not much interesting shit in there.
There's all kinds of cool stuff. I remember when you got that, but I can't show that because that's illegal. All right, ready to go. I done snooped around and looked at, found
Here's that
all
400 I wanna-
my stuff.
I'd like to rebuild.
Just kind of coincides with what's going on with Hippie Dave at Teenage Cycle, so we decided, hey, we're gonna run that. Say 8 o'clock. It's not 8:01. 8 o'clock. For me, if I say 8 o'clock, it's 8 o'clock.
I can't stand that woman. I think she's as fake can be. Look, I want to like everyone, but there's just some fucking people I don't like.